Hello dear students, today we are going to start our last topic, friction due to fluids. When a solid moves in a liquid or a gas, the surface of the solid experience friction. For example, a ship is moving on a water and a truck is moving on a road. Then the friction between ship and water will be lesser than the friction between the tires of truck and the road. Similarly, the force of friction between a solid surface and a gas is lesser than that between a solid and a liquid surface. Solid and liquid surface में जो friction है उससे भी कम होती है between solid and gas. The frictional force exerted by fluids like liquids and gases is also called the drag. The frictional force on an object in a fluid depends upon number 1 its speed with respect to the fluid. Means if the speed of an object is more, the friction will be less. For example, if boat is moving on a water, if its speed is more, then the friction will be less, and if its speed is less, then the friction will be more. Second point is shape of the object. Means if the shape of the object is distorted like a turtle, then friction will be more, it will move slow. And if the shape of the object is symmetrical like fish, and friction will be less, so it will move fast. Next point is students, nature of the fluid. If fluid is more denser, then the friction will be more, and if fluid is less denser, then the friction will be less. For example, the ship will move slowly in muddy water than in clear water. Air is the most common gas and water is the most common liquid in our daily life. And to minimize friction due to water or any kind of liquid and air or any other gas, the moving body should have a streamlined shape. Now what is streamlined shape? The symmetrical shape of a body or object which offers least resistance due to friction is called streamlined shape. For example, the bodies of ships, boats, aeroplanes, automobiles are made streamlined. मीन्स वो सिमेट्रिकल शेप होती है मछली की तरह टू मिनिमाइज द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन विद द मीडियम दे ट्रेवल. Next, the body of the fish is also streamlined because it is symmetrical. Same way, the body of the bird is also streamlined. Next, dear students, the meteors enter the Earth's atmosphere at very high speed. Now, what are the meteors? These are the bigger or smaller rock particles. Those are moving in the space. At such speeds, the friction due to air is also very large because when they pass through air, they experience the friction due to air. Due to this, the temperature of meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere rises to a very high level. फ्रिक्शन की वजह से उनका जो टेम्परेचर है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ने लग जाता है. एज ए रिज़ल्ट मेटर्स बर्न आउट सून आफ्टर एंटरिंग द अर्थ्स एटमोसफियर. जैसे ही वो एंटर करते हैं एटमोसफियर में अर्थ के, तो वो बर्न होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. नाउ लास्ट वन टॉपिक डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टू प्रोटेक्ट स्पेसशिप्स फ्रॉम बर्निंग ड्यूरिंग एंटरिंग टू द अर्थ्स एटमोसफियर दे आर प्रोवाइडेड विद अ हीट शील्ड. जो स्पेसशिप्स होती हैं जब वो अर्थ के एटमोसफियर में एंटर करती हैं, तो हमें पता है देयर इज़ अ फ्रिक्शन ड्यू टू एयर व्हेन दे एंटर इन द एटमोसफियर ऑफ द अर्थ. दे एक्सपीरियंस फ्रिक्शन ड्यू टू एयर बिकॉज दे आर कमिंग विद द वेरी हाई स्पीड्स. सो टू प्रोटेक्ट द स्पेसशिप फ्रॉम बर्निंग, द स्पेसशिप्स आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द heat shield. So dear students, this one was the last topic of PT1. So now there are few oral questions related to this chapter. So try to attempt these questions. Thank you.